How to hide or unhide charts in TradingView. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can hide or unhide charts in TradingView. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First of all, open up your web browser and head over to TradingView. You can head over to tradingview.com directly or just search for it and head over to its website. After you've done that, you can then choose which market or which you want to look at. I'll just open the first one and open the full chart. After you do that, let's say that you've already started making lines and drawings here. You can keep on doing that. There you can see I can just gonna do some random things here. And yeah, after you're done with this, after you're done with everything here and you want to now hide everything, what you can do is at the left hand side you'll find the toolbar and there you'll find the eye icon. So tap on this hide options and expand it. You'll find this hide options. You can see you can hide drawings, you can hide indicators, you can hide positions and orders, and you can hide all. So you can tap on hide all to hide everything from your chart. And to look at it again, you can tap on it again and everything will appear back. You can see that you'll notice that the bar chart below gets hidden as well. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you hide everything in your chart in TradingView. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.